Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk how to install Microsoft Office on this Mac. For those who missed my recent video about unboxing MacBook Air, please see the link in description below and I put icon over top right. Okay, before we start, let me make a quick intro to our new subscribers. Let them know what we are doing actually. So what video content such as like lifestyle, tech stuff, and so on. So I will upload every single video in a week. So for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so you will get every single video that I upload to my channel and get notification in your YouTube. Okay, let's dive into the topic before we get any delay.
First, we have to click Microsoft Office 365. Once the page open, so we have to click on the first link in the browser. Okay, once open, we have to get Office. We have to click get Office and then it will bring to this page, which is actually in this page you can see the price is Ringgit Malaysia. So I am currently staying in Malaysia, so you can see the price difference. Okay, and then for the Microsoft 365 family package, it will cost around 359 ringgit per year, and Microsoft 365 for personal, it will cost 269 ringgit Malaysia, and for office, home, and student 2019 one-off purchase for PC and Mac, it will cost 529 ringgit. This is one-time purchase. Here we are going to click Microsoft 365 for student and educators. Okay, once we click, it will bring us to this page, Office 365 Education. So once we get into this page, we should enter your email address or your school provided email address to get started. Once you have put your email, it will send you like a link to your email. Over here you can see what else the Microsoft provide for students. A lot of stuff you can learn from here. Here we have Outlook, Word and Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Teams, Publisher and Access. And then we also have a cloud service to create a modern classroom such as Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint, Waveforms, Steam, Flow, School, and so on. Okay, that's all. Okay. After this, we have to click Microsoft top left, then it will bring to this page. Now we are going to log in. So until this stage, I already create an account using the step that I show you. So once you create an account, you can go to the login section and then here it shows my you can do. So now we are going to install Office. Once you click there, it will ask you that do you want to allow. Once we allow, the download will begin there. Temporarily waiting for the install Office downloading. So we download here. You can see it's downloading. And then we go to App Store and then click Office. We search for Office apps and then you will see here Microsoft 365. It's a bundle. The apps is bundle, so you can download the app from direct App Store. ask my Touch ID. Okay, we are coming back to the page. You can see here it's downloading. Okay, the Microsoft Office installer package is complete. So we are going to open Microsoft Office package installer. So once we open the package, it will prompt up like this to install Microsoft Office. So just follow the steps, click agree. So here we can change install location. So for me, I'm not going to change it all. So we are going to click install, and then it will ask your Mac password. Key in your password and click install software. Once you click install software, it will show preparing the Microsoft install, and it start download. It start installing. So we are going to wait until it complete. It's about 10 minutes. I'm not going to wait until 10 minutes. Oh, it's fast. Wow, super fast. 3 minutes now. About a minute. It's removing all files. Registering. OneDrive. Excel. Word. Right, super fast. As you see, once I click, it's open. Once I click, it's open. It's so fast. You can see over here. Everything I open is smooth and steady and good. Here you can see I'm typing hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I feel comfortable, and yeah, it's good. Super fast. It's launching everything in a just in a click. It's open. Hello world. I haven't used OneNote before, so I don't know how it performs and how it's work. So I'm going to just ignore that. And then I didn't set up my Outlook email. So you can see the responsive. This app is so responsive and so easy to use. I hope you guys get what I mean by. So at last but not least, this is the tutorial guide for how to install Microsoft Office 365 on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Just bought Macs recently, so don't know how to install Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word.
If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will get notification every single time that I upload video on your YouTube. So until then, see you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.